Aba Fisheries Protection Unit e Kasese bakomezza abazze bavuba nga bazimuula amateeka. Bokezo obutimba, amaato n'ebirala ebiwoza shillings obukadde 1000 ekitagwenda. Bizze bikwatibwa ku kazinga Channel ku nnyanja George mu myezi 5 egiyise okusinziira ku Lieutenant Bob Oduchu aduumira ebikwekweto ku Lake George.
We are yet to dispose of the impounded illegal fishing gears by banning. These ones here, they are worth 1,115,992,000 shillings. You can imagine that figure, how our people, they are investing their money wrongly.
Ebintu ebi tubikorekitingire omu nyanja turwanisa obujubi kandi tubikorekitingire kumara obwire bw'amezi 5 urw'okwezi kwa kukubanza kutya okwezi kwa katano. Enshohe kitkasa gigumamu ahubwo kitakwasa gigumiramu twentigezaho kugirwanisa ngo erigiyo nce kiro kureba bastira ha nyanja.
Major Frank Kanzira azemu okulabula abavubi nti ebintu bye babagaana bibaddamu okugula era tebajja kukoma kubyokya.
We appeal, we as the FPU, we as enforcers, we appeal to the fishing community, we appeal to the fishing community to comply with what we tell them. We as enforcers, what we tell them to comply using good fishing methods, using good fishing practices. And we appeal to the public fishing communities or local leaders to work hand in hand or support us in fighting these illegal fishing methods.
Ebyennyanja byeyongedde mu mazzi kebongeze bikwekweto. RDC Charles Nwagaba ow'ekitagwenda agamba bazze basomesa abavubi ekyokukola ne bakyeremye.
Our role as office of the RDC is to protect this lake. We don't allow any illegal fishing. If we get you, you must go there and serve 2 years in jail. That is the guidelines of Kitagwenda now. There is no question. If we get you, you go to prisons. Very straight.
Evelyn Atuhaire akulira ebyobuvubi ekitagwenda agamba amaanyi UPDF getadde ku nnyanja balaba waliwo enjawulo.
My appeal to the fishermen is to continue to use the correct fishing gears. It's not a punishment for them to use the legal methods. It is for our own benefit, for the sustainable use, so that our generation and the generation to come can find when the lake is there and can also benefit from the resource.
Bo abavubi ku myalo egitali gimu ekitagwenda ne Kasese baniyize ebikwekweto ku nnyanja.
President Museveni abohereza obuyatuyambera akatwiririza hi FPU twakoragana nayo mu mbereji kuri mutarizira ba FPU twakubata cyayine cyenyanza cyona mu mizomo
ukawagambira omuntu ukareba takucyusaho government erete kiragiro cyo kukoma no barabeta cyakira cyo kaba kwata omuntu asohere kubi bagende bamukome n'abantu barebero taroho tikiri kirungi kugenda no musibe omuko akozere criminal kagenda nawo omukodi akiza kukuratira n'ikintu nkikwase n'inafu y'abantu muno.
Byatumusime Gerard, Salt TV.